Talk to me nice. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this very natural look using Luffy's wig. So this is their Yaki straight wig and it is bomb. This is how the hair came packaged. It came in like this nice little box, and then it also comes with a cap as well as elastic band you can add on, as well as, you know, some feedback and instructions on the hair. So this is how the hair looks. Again, this is their Yaki straight, but it's giving me a lot of like kinky straight vibes. And as you see, the hairline has been pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck it anymore. And you also have some lace in the back that you can pull the wig up if you want. So again, the hairline has been pre-plucked. I did not pluck it at all. I did not even bleach my knots, you guys. All I did was add some makeup to my cap in the front. And then as you can see, it has a lot of parting space that you can part the hair back as well. So I'm going to be using this Brazilian keratin spray that's good for when you flat iron hair. This is a oldie but goodie. Like, it's been underneath my cabinet forever, and I'm like, let me use this again. And y'all, it worked wonders on this hair. So I just went ahead and sprayed the entire wig, and now I'm just taking my hot comb to get a part in the hair, and then I'll go ahead and flat iron the hair using my Olaxer flat irons that I received from a company off of Amazon. And I'm just using the chase method at first, using a small red tail comb, and then I'm going to switch it up in a little bit and use this brush, like this flat iron brush that worked even better. So you guys, make sure you click the link down below to check out that flat iron brush, because it's bomb and it's cheap, and it like completely made a difference in the hair. But the hair looks really good when you flat iron it. This is the brush I'm talking about. Maybe I should have waited to talk about it, but yeah. That's the brush I'm talking about. Bomb. It was $6 from Amazon, and hopefully it's still $6, maybe a couple dollars more or less. I don't know. But look at the difference that it made just from using that brush. Sometimes in my previous videos, you will see I just use a regular brush and chase the flat irons instead of using a comb, which is bomb. So look into that. But look at these two textures. Like, when you flat iron it, it takes the hair to a whole nother level. Like, it just looks so good. So I'm just going to take my time and go through the hair and flat iron it to get it straight. Or you can wear it in the natural state, but flat iron, it looks so good. Just looks like African American hair relaxed. And look at this sheen on it, y'all. All thing I sprayed on here was that spray, and it looks so good. It has so much body, like, oh my God, it's just giving me life from the time I took it out of the package to the time I put it on my head. So this is definitely a wig that's beginner friendly, where you don't have to put in much work. I did not bleach my knots, nor did I have to pluck my frontal, and it's only $155. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut the lace off of the wig, as well as added some makeup underneath so it can be more so my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you guys. I'm so excited about this wig. Like, it looks bomb. Whoo! I haven't even fixed it yet, and look at this. Like, look at this, y'all. Is it just me, or is it just bomb? But I'm ready to go ahead and just use some Got to Be Glued spray to put it down. Ooh, talk to me. Okay, so make sure my sides are even. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on maybe about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Look at this hair though. Look at the texture. All right guys, so it's been about 7 minutes. So let's take this off and let's see. I'll be anxious to see. Let's see, let's get this off of my skin. I'm trying to get the hair up without lifting the lace. Let's spray a little water because the flakes. Okay, so this is about how long the hair is. So it's a nice good length, coming like mid-torso. As you can see, it's really natural looking. Let me get a little makeup on my part to just define that a little bit more, and I think I'm good to go. So I'm just gonna take some of this pressed powder and put it on my part. As y'all see, my part goes back super far. I believe it goes back 6 inches. So that's a lot of parting space. Looks really good. Okay guys, so this is the end result. Looks really good. Let me know what you think. This is like the perfect length. Not too long, not too short. Bomb. That's what the back look like. Really cute. Talk to me nice. And as you can see, the wig fits perfect on both sides. Perfect. But are y'all peeping this texture? Like a kinky straight texture. Bomb. You really would think this was my hair.